This is our 1951 Mercury Monterey Coupe. So this video will cover a few different things. First off, be a very slow-paced walk around the outside, and then some clips of the inside, as well as under the hood with the car running. So you'll see here, the chrome was all restored in 2008, I believe it was, and the car will come with records for that. So the chrome looks really, really good, only the most minor little bits of pitting on the door handles. But front rear bumpers, trim pieces all look really good. There are a couple midline trim pieces that are missing. You'll see the holes there for them on both doors. But the car is largely complete. Super, super, super dry. We had it professionally painted shortly after getting it, so say around 2008. The correct Brewster green metallic. Really, 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 really nice finish. Car was done very well. Show quality, absolutely. No dust, nibs, paint run, nothing like that. Totally straight, no dents or dings. The glass is all clear and crack-free. The front fog light lenses have a couple little hairline cracks, a little bit of visible age. The rest of the glass all very good. Car spent time in both Colorado and Illinois. The gentleman that we bought it from had owned the car since 1990. When we purchased it, it was largely in pieces. You can see just the most minor little bit of oxidation on the chrome. Looks very, very good. Like I said, redone, 12 years ago or so. In 2017, had a whole fuel system sorting done. Rebuilt the carb, rebuilt the fuel pump, replaced the fuel tank. Car is mint underneath. Been extremely well taken care of. Our mechanic and body guys who put this thing together are very, very, very good. The car is an interesting one, being a 51, so it is one of these half-year cars. The lights and signals are functional. Car originally actually had an Oyster white top on it, so you will see that the top is not clear coated, as essentially prepped to have a top put on it. So if you wanted to finish the car, you need to put an Oyster white top. The car does still retain the original interior, green and white leather. You'll see here, no clear on the roof. Ready for an upholstery shop to put a top on. Weather stripping is all nice, not dry and cracked. Panel fitment is spot on. Doors open and close really, really nice and smooth. Onto the interior. Door panels are super nice. No significant signs of age, no kicked open markings or, armrest pulling away, nothing like that. Very, very, very nice. Radio is not functional. The gauges are all functional. Odometer was reset when the body was done 10-12 years ago. As I mentioned, lights are functional. The wipers are actually off the car right now, but they will come with it. The blower is good, fan good. You can see the green and white leather, really, really good look. Super original. There's obviously some burst seams on the bottom, general signs of wear and age, but the color is excellent. It's not blown out. Seat is still relatively firm. Feels good, very much usable. The rear is super clean. Does not look to have been used very often. Rear parcel shelf, very, very nice. Headliner, clean and tight. And we do have that passenger sun visor that'll come with the car.